Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for August 11th, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
Today, a repository called Rift is trending on GitHub, which can be used as a VS Code plugin. This is an AI that can provide coding assistant and automate the software engineering process just using natural language. This is another convenient tool for natural language programming.
Another repository called Lisa is trending on GitHub today. This is a repository used for reasoning segmentation tools using large language models. Basically, given an image input, it can answer questions related to the image while segmenting the corresponding parts in the image.
Musk today tweeted that the cage fight between him and Zuckerberg is going to be in an epic location in Italy. The fight will be streamed on X and will respect Italian culture, Musk said.
Finally, let us provide a late conclusion to LK-99 event. In the end, it was not a superconductor, both at room temperature and low temperatures. This is proved by various sources. It is indeed a very disappointing result.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.